So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario. Today we're going to have a great open box of the handheld cordless wet and dry vacuum. We're going to be testing this as well too right now. Alright, so we got all the parts out of the box and I'll show you how the whole thing works. So right here we have the main unit. How easy it is to clean. Alright, so after you vacuum, go right in your garbage can, press this little button right here and empty that out, and that's it. We can just close that up and it's ready to go. Now if you want to clean the filter, that becomes pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is press this button right here and we take that apart, we rotate this part out, and then we can replace the filter. Check it out. All right, but you only need to do that if you wanted to replace the filter. We close it down, we put this back together. Voila. Now my next part is the battery pack. Now the next thing on the battery pack, if you see right there, so the only thing you need to touch, you have the symbol right there that you need to touch, and that's for the speed. So we can put this in and lock it in. Now right here is to turn it on and off, and then here it is to begin using the vacuum. So you got to place it for a few seconds and then comes on. Press it, and then here simple as that, right? And right here to show you the levels of the battery. Remember, you need to hold it for about a second to get activated. Now let's look some of the adapters. So if you want to use a super portable, I can adapt this one here, and this is perfect to clean your car. Let's take this one out, press it right here, let's take that one out, or we can use, we have more adapter, we can use this is actually 2, so we can press right here and we take that out, see, and we close it and we can adapt that right there. Now we can use the extension or for vacuum. Now the cool thing of this, press this button and now you have an extender. Check that out. So we go this way, and now we want this longer, we press the button right there and we can extend this out. Look how long. Now let's adapt the main part. Let's hold this up and let's close this up. So that's your main part. Now to clean the brushes becomes a super simple as well too. I'll show you. So the nice thing with this, moves up and down, so you can go underneath the bed, you can go anywhere that the normal vacuums will not allow you to do that. Right, we can release this up. It's super simple by holding this little button right there, press it down and voila, you see that what happened. Now I can go and take this out for cleaning. Let's put that back, let's press this down and we lock it in. Now let's go right here, let's push this one up, and now we are ready to go. So I'm going to press right here for about 2 seconds and automatic comes on. We have a light. You can see the brushes, you can see the brushes rotating right there. I just turned it off. Let's put it back again. Yeah, you remember you have to hold it for a few seconds. Now the cool thing, and then we have this as well too. Now it comes with the power adapter. Now it comes with this where you're going to be hanging this out, and even comes with the screw for hanging. So it becomes super easy to hang this up because it's going to hold right there. So if you're looking up this way, this goes this way and then you hang it, right? So now how about the map? Because I said to you it has a map. So right here we have the map. By the way, it comes with the 2 replacements, one and that one right there. So the only thing you need to do, open this up and then fill it up with water. You put water right there, and this side says open and close, right? So check this out. So I want to vacuum and at the same time I want to map. That's simple. We bring this right here, so the wheels lock it in right there, and now I open, I press right here, open, And now I turn this up, and a vacuum and map. How cool is that? In the same time, check this out. All in one. Truly, it becomes a super handheld and a portable vacuum, rechargeable, comes with a power adapter. So when you hang it, just let it go. Let's go charge. And next time you want to use it, it's always full in charge to use it anytime. I think it's a great, and it become a super portable vacuum cleaner.